social science teacher from Kerala, in Kannur district. I introduced how the shape of the earth is formed. Normally we can see such a picture of the earth in our textbook like this, global type. Actually the shape of the earth is not like this. In the origin of the earth, it is flexible, semi-liquid type, and it is very flexible type. That at the beginning of the stage, it rotates itself like this. And observe the thing. When the earth rotates, it changes its shape and it becomes geoid shape. Then the equator, speed of the equator is 1670 km per hour. So this middle part of the earth is bulky, and this shape is called the geoid shape. We can call the only geoid shape in the earth shape. Then how the temperature zone is created in the earth. Normally all the picture we can see that the temperature in equator, the temperature sunrise is to 90 degree and subtropical 45 degree and like that. That is a picture in our textbook. But actually all the sun rays are 90 degrees. But what happened here? Look at here. This is the position of the earth here. This is the position of the earth. Then compare the sun rays, each of the compare. All the wooden sticks are same width. But when you observe the width of the end, you can this width and this one. When we look at the observe, you can understand that this part is bigger than the whole. So that when the area is increasing, the heat is decreasing due to the slope of the earth, not the slope of the sun rays. That is happening here. In the morning time, we are this position. We are here at the time we get a low temperature because this part is curved. Then the earth is rotating. We reach here. In the noon time, we got a high temperature. Evening time, we got a less temperature. That is happening in our summer. According to the temperature, the pressure is differentiated. When the heat is increasing, the pressure is decreasing. That is the atmosphere. Then look at here. This is the pressure distribution. Pressure belt here. This is polar high pressure, subpolar low pressure, subtropical high pressure, tropical low pressure. From that high pressure to low pressure, wind is moving. That is, the air is moving. That is called the wind. There are three permanent winds. The first one is polar winds. That is from high pressure to low pressure. Then this is westerlies because this wind starts from the western side. Then this is trade winds. The trade winds both sides hit together in the equator. So they could not move to either side. The face to face they join there. They're the only way to uplift here. So this area is called doldrums here. Then after that, this wind is, we can call this wind the trade winds. And at the month of April, May, the heat is increasing and the capacity to carrying the water vapor is also increasing. Then this wind we can call the southeast trade winds. While the crossing the equator, what happened here? This direction changes then it becomes the southwest monsoon. Then the monsoon came to India first in Andaman Nicobar, then due to all over the India. This monsoon is all over. Then we get a lot of rain. Then after the June 22nd onwards, the sun is starting his journey southwards. Then the monsoon is also withdrawing like this. This is called the withdrawal of monsoon here. Then this type of monsoon, we also get this type of monsoon. This type of monsoon we called northeast monsoon. In Andhra Pradesh, we got a lot of rain due to this rainfall. Then this monsoon is like this, and we all over India we got 2 monsoon seasons here. Then another thing is that this is an instrument to measure the degree. Here in the globe we can so many degrees, 0 degree, 90 degree like that. And maps also degrees, but we could not measure the degree using this type of things, protractor. How can we measure the degrees? At first we divide the earth into 2 parts like this, and this is the center of the earth, and put the protractor here and find out the 10 degree. If you want to 10 degree, find out the 10 degree all over the globe and draw the line. That is the 10 degree. Like that you can draw any degrees. Then measure the degree. Then next one, how to find out the day. Here are 2 important ways, longitude. This is the Greenwich line. This is the international day line. This is the Greenwich
line, this is international day line. According to this line, day is considered. If suppose a person standing here and here, the two persons were standing here, they were at the same time. This is midnight. This is midnight. The person here feel midnight, the person here midnight. But here is, if it is Monday, he feel Monday. Then Monday morning, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock Monday morning, noon Monday morning, noon Monday, and evening Monday, and last midnight Monday. Then a person who crossed the line, he got 1 day. Then a person closed this way, he lost 1 day. That is the day under international day line peculiarity of